Children, welcome to math session. How are you children? So as you know, we are continuing with our chapter number 11. Okay, that is subtraction by borrowing. Now in our previous session we finished part 4. Today we will be doing part 5. Okay, let us see what we will do in part 5. Today we will do arrange vertically and subtract. Today we will do all sum makes as a revision. Okay, so let us start. Now our topic is arrange vertically and subtract. Our question is 245 minus 6. Okay. So let us arrange it vertically. Okay, here we have arranged them in hundred, tens and unit column according to their place value. And now after arranging vertically we are going to subtract. So let us subtract. Okay. So 5 minus 6. Now 5 is a smaller number and 6 is a bigger number. So what we will do? We will cut this 5 and we will make it as 15. So from where I got this 1 from? I borrowed from 4. That is in tens place. So if I borrow 1 from 4, 4 will become 3. So 15 minus 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means 9. So 15 minus 6 will be 9. Now below 3, that is in tens place, we are not having any number other than 3. So what we will do is we will consider as 0. So 3 minus 0 will be 3. Okay. Now below 2 also we are not having any number to subtract. Correct. So what we will do, we will consider as 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. So when we subtract 245 minus 6, we get our answer 239. Next, 348 minus 59. Now 348. Now see the children. See children, the first sum was of one digit. Like 245 minus 6. We did with one number. Okay, 3 number with one number. Subtraction. Now we will do subtraction 3 numbers with 2 numbers. Okay, that is 348 minus 59. So let us subtract. First we will arrange them vertically according to their place value, that is 100, tens and unit column. And then the numbers are arranged according to their place value and then we are going to subtract. So 8 minus 9. So 8 is a smaller number, 9 is a bigger number. So we cannot subtract. So what we will do, we will cut this 8. We will make it as 18. Okay. And from where I got this 1? I got from 4. So I will cut this 4 and I will make it 3. I borrowed now from 4. So it will become 3. Now 18 minus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay. Now 3 minus 5. It is not possible because 3 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. So we will cut this 3 and we will make it as 13. From where I got this one? I borrowed from the 3 which is in hundreds place. So this 3 will become now 2. So 13 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13. So 8, we get the answer after subtracting 13 minus 5. Now below 2 there is no number. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. So when we subtract 348 minus 59, we get our answer 289. Next, 400 minus 267. Now children, here all the three, both the numbers are 3 numbers. Okay, so first we did with one number, we did subtraction, then with 2, now with 3 numbers. Okay, so let us arrange the number according to their place value, that is STU. Then after making a column, then arranging the number according to their place value, 100, tens and unit, we are going to subtract. Okay. Now 0 minus 7. Will it be possible to subtract 0 from 7? No, we will cut this 0. We will make it as 10. From where I got this 10? I borrowed from this 0. So if I borrow from this 0, number will become 9. Okay. And this 4 will become 3. Understood? Now 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So when I subtract 400 minus 267, I get my answer 133. Understood, children, how you are going to subtract? Now with 0, then it becomes 10 minus 7 will be 3. Now this is also 0 in tens place, so we will make it as 9. Okay. We borrowed 1 from that 0 and we gave to 10, so it became 9. Now if we make it here 9, we have to borrow from 1 from 100 also, and it will become 3. So answer is 133. Next, 932 minus 754. So let us subtract. First we will arrange them vertically. Okay, now the numbers are arranged. Now let us subtract. 2 minus 4. Yes, we will cut it and make it as 12. And from where I borrowed this? 1 from 3, that is in tens place. So it will become 2. So 12 minus 4, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now 2 minus 5. No, we cannot subtract because 2 is a smaller number, 5 is a bigger number. We'll again cut it and make it as 12. And 1 we will borrow from 9. So 9 will become 8. So 12 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So when we subtract 932 minus 754, I get my answer 178. Now subtract. What it is written? Subtract. Okay, you just have to subtract. You don't have to arrange vertically. Now 920 minus 365. So now we have arranged the number according to their place value. Okay. When it is subtract, it will be already made in a subtract. That means you have to make a column and write the numbers. Okay. So start now subtracting. Okay. Now 0 minus 5. Cut this 0. We'll make it as 10. Because 0 is a small number, 5 is a bigger number. Now from where I borrowed this one? I borrowed from tens place. And I'll make it this 2 as 1. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 1 minus 6. Not possible. Again we'll cut it and make it as 11. From where I got this one? I borrowed from 9. And 9 became 8. So 11 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 5. 11 minus 6 will be 5. 8 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So when I subtract 920 minus 365, I get my answer 555. Okay, next. Now solve the word problem. Okay, now we will come to the word problem. The population of a town is 950, out of which 425 are females. How many are males? I repeat the question. The population of a town is 950, out of which 425 are females. How many are males? Now there is a population in that of a town, and in that population, the population is 950, out of which 425 are females. So you have to count the male. How many are males? You have to count that. So what we will do? We will arrange the numbers first. We will make a column of HTU. We will arrange the numbers according to their place values. After arranging the number, what we are going to write? The females. How many females are there? 425. And 950 are the population. Children, here you can see in the slide I am not having place to write that. So I have written that females in the units box, but you are going to write outside the box. Teacher is not having place here, so I am writing it here. Okay, you can write, you have to write outside the box. Okay, so now shall I subtract? Okay. Okay, 0 minus 5. What we will do, we will cut this 0 and we will make it as 10. And for this 5, we will make it as 4. Now 10 minus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, how many males we got the answer? After subtracting 950 minus 425, we got our answer 525. Okay. So, now what we will do? How we will write the answer? There are 525 males. What will be your answer? There are 525 males. Okay. Now, next. A library has 521 science book and 325 maths book. How many less maths book are there than science book? Now a library has 521 science book and 325 maths book. Okay, in a library there are 521 science book and 325 maths book. How many less maths books are there than the science book? So how we'll get this? By subtracting. So how we'll subtract? We will arrange the number according to their place value. 100, tens and unit column. After writing the number, what we will write? Science book. That is how much science book? 521 science book. 325 is maths book. Here also children, I am not having place in the slide, outside the slide. So I am writing here inside the slide, but you have to write outside the column. So now we will subtract. Okay. So 1 minus 5. So we'll cut this one. We will make it as 11 because 1 is a smaller number, 5 is a bigger number. Then from where I got this one? I borrowed from 2. So if I borrow 1 from 2, so 2 will become 1. Okay. So 11 minus 5 is after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 6. Okay. 1 minus 2. No, it is not possible because 1 is a smaller number, 2 is a bigger number. So we'll make it as 11 and this 5 will become 4. So 11 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means 11 minus 2 will be 9. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. So what is the answer that we got after subtracting 521 minus 325? 196. So how you are going to write the answer? 196 maths book are less than science book. What you are going to write? 196 maths books are less than science book. Okay. So with this children, I finish my today's session of revision. Okay. Now what you are going to do, I will show you. I hope the previous notes you have written in your maths classwork. I will be sending you more maths classwork children notes. Now what you are going to do? You are going to write on a fresh page chapter number 11 subtraction by borrowing. Okay. No, don't write part 5. After that write the topic. Don't write the TOPCI topic. Write just arrange vertically and subtract. After that leave 2 lines. Write the number. Write this HTU. Make a column and solve it. Then write the second number. Make a column and solve it. But only 2 sums in 1 page. Again go to a fresh page, write today's date, again write the 2 sums, okay, the question and then make the column. That you have finished, then you will write again 2 sums in 1 page, then come to a fresh page, write subtract. Subtract now only 1 sum is there. So after writing this subtract, you can continue, then solve the word problem. Okay, solve the word problem, then write this question, then make a column, solve it yourself, and then write the second word problem. Okay, this. So 2 word problems you will write. If you are not having place, you can continue in a next page. Okay, and you will write the answer also by seeing in the slide. So children, with this I finish my today's session of subtraction by borrowing part 5. Okay, till then keep learning and keep practicing. See you soon in the next session. Bye.